Calve College, an important heritage building situated on Mission Street, Heritage Town, was built in 1875. The Calve College gets its name from Calve Puducherry, who belonged to a renowned merchant family. The school is built on a site area of 0.86 acres. The school hold a very important role in shaping the skyline of the Puducherry Smart City area. The school is an asset to the city as it is one of the oldest buildings built under French rule and has been in use for almost 140 years. The school's main entry is from Mission Street in Heritage Town. On the north side is Puducherry Street and on south is Sri Aurobindo Street. The architectural style of the building follows a symmetrical pattern with elaborate design, typical to neoclassical style. For example, the front facade features elaborate gateway and boundary wall to mark the entrance prominently. The school was hit by Thane cyclone in 2011 and was severely damaged. Later, the school was cited unsafe. Now, under the Smart City mission, the heritage buildings are taken up for restoration by the Puducherry Smart City Development Limited. Calve College is one such prominent heritage building which will be restored and strengthened under Smart City mission at an estimated cost of 5.18 crores. The restoration will be based on the traditional methods and the school will be operational and fully functional after restoration.